The body of senior advocates of Nigeria, BOSAN, on Saturday called for respect for the Constitution in the trial of Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN, Walter Onnoghen. It made the call in a communique at the end of its meeting held at the Nigerian Law School in Lagos. The federal government filed charges of non-declaration of assets at the Code of Conduct Tribunal (CCT) against Chief Justice Onnoghen. He has, however, filed an application to challenge the CCT's jurisdiction on the basis that the matter ought to be determined by the National Judicial Council (NJC) first. The Federal High Court in Abuja had also restrained the CCT from arraigning Chief Justice Onnoghen. After considering issues of national importance, BOSAN said the issues must be resolved carefully in the judiciary's interest. The communique reads, "The body of senior advocates of Nigeria deplores the situation that has arisen from the preferment of charges against the CJN and head of the Nigerian judiciary before the Code of Conduct Tribunal (CCT). Read also, freezing CJN's accounts contemptuous, Sayagbakoba, Falana, Ozekom. The body urges respect for the Constitution, the rule of law, separation of powers, due process and the proper administration of justice. In the prevailing circumstances, all parties are urged to consider the impact of their respective actions on the administration of justice in Nigeria and public confidence in our institutions. The body recognizes that the matter is sub judice before the CCT and other courts, and it is therefore not appropriate to comment on the merits or otherwise of any of the cases. The body considers that these issues must be resolved carefully and responsibly in the interest of the legal profession and the nation. The body of senior advocates of Nigeria continues to endorse the core values of good governance, public integrity and sustenance of democracy in the spirit of the Constitution." The communique was signed by Professor Ben Nuabwais and Mr. Sei Soamimo.